Now you can start because
Hello everyone, my name is Vikas. I work in DVLV Tech. Today I will explain you complete detail of sale process. This is the URL with the help of which we can log in to Business Central Dynamic 365 with username and password. After fill the username and password, click on sign button. After login, we can something like this interface. Today our process sale process. So first we create customer card. Customer card, inside the customer card you have all available information about a specific customer in the one window. From here you can see from sorry from here you can also assign payment terms to customer. Click on new button and select B2B customer. B2B customer means business to business. B2B B2 B2B is also from transaction between business such as a involving a manufacturer and a wholesaler or a wholesaler and a retailer. Business to business refer to business that is conduct between companies rather than between a companies and individual consumer. So we select B2B customer, click on OK button. Select a customer number. This is a customer number. Select fill a customer name just like there we can fill all detail about customer. This number series setup we can set in. Go to sales and receive able setups. Go to number series. Here, here we can set customer number. All of sales all about number regarding. Here we can set all setups. Filling detail about customer. Here is pet shop. Select a country code. Click on OK button. Then fill the phone number. And then go to payment terms. 100%, select on 100%. This is a posting detail of customer. General business posting group. General business posting group specific who is the sold to customer and who is purchased from vendors. This is a general posting group. And wait posting group field that ask you to vendor affected by this change. And and customer posting group posting group map entities such as a customer, vendor, item, resource, and sales and purchase document to general ledger account. They save time and help avoid mistake when you post transaction, and the transaction value go to the account specified in the posting group for that particular entity. After filling After filling all the information as per the requirement, then go to new document and create a sale order. Select a sale order number. Click on OK button. This phase is called header, where we can all about customer number, address, everything, postcode, phone number, country. This this interface we called line. Here we select item number. Select a item number. Select item number and select location code and select a quantity to be sold. Unit price Excel word. Fill all the information as per the requirement. After we go to release. Release means you can complete entry of the order and ready for to process it. Click on release button and release. Go to the action button and warehouse and create a warehouse shipment. Click on OK. A warehouse shipment is a document to combine more than one source document, maybe several sales order or outgoing source document like transfer order, etc. Here we select a device ID. And go to process and create a WMS pick. Sorry, this current value is open. So we first release and then go to process, create WMS pick. Click on yes button. WMS pick is created. Click on OK. Go to report where we can check order number, batch ID, item number, picking location, size, large, actual win, actual zone, WMS user ID, date and time, and pick number. Pick number is not updated, so we wait few seconds. our pick number is updated. We as you can see, it is our pick number. So go to WMS. Go to WMS. First we check our device ID number. Our device ID number is P1003. Fill username and password. And go to login. Here we can see our pick number. This quantity is 14. So barcode in front, copy encode and enter. Type beam number HQW 01. Here we can enter quantity who want to pick. Select a quantity. Here we can put a bin number. So I have already a bin number. We can also find go to location and go to in bin and then filter apply ice and store type bin. We can find our put bin number. Again go to Navision. This is our order number. Copy to paste in our notepad. And select warehouse shipment number. And note our notepad. Then go to posting and post shipment. Click one yes button. There is nothing to post. So first go to there is a dimension store code. So we go to sales order for update store dimension code. Go to select sale order. Paste our order number. So first we copy our order number. Here we go order and go to dimension, select a store code and select location, then go to back. Do you want to update this line? You may have changed the dimension. Do you want to update this line? Click on yes and again go to again stop picking and go to now our shipment is sales shipment is post. So we go to sales shipment posted. How can check our shipment is post? So type posted sales shipment. Copy warehouse number and select a filter, apply a filter. Apply a filter. Sorry, again. Go to sale order number, select. This is our posted sales shipment number. Copy this for paste. Now we can check our sale order entries. So first we go to item laser entries. Here we applied document filter number and posted sales shipment number. As we can see, document type and document number, inventory type, purchase type, execute location. Here is quantity is minus to actual bin. And now we go to check our entry in posted movement general line. Movement general line. And go to select document number. So first copy our SO number and apply the filter of document number. Enter our document number created by document number, entry number, from bin, item number, location, pick, sale pick, source line, subline, location to bin shipment, location to bin. Now final entries, check warehouse entries. Warehouse entries. Select, apply a filter, source number, and paste SO number. Here we can check bin code this and shipment this and movement this. Here here quantity to minus and plus on ship bin. When shipment posted, it will be also quantity on ship bin.
Because this mean when you pick your quantity in your actual bin, this entry you will showing when you pick your quantity to in your actual bin, quantity minus your actual bin and plus with your shipment, warehouse shipment,
Ship.
ship bin. It's called ship bin, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, please continue.
There is negative adjustment. Now we can create sale invoice. Sale invoice is a written document used by a seller to inform the detail of transaction to their customers. It's include all factors about the due date, amount of products, seller, buyer, and also total price. This invoice is created to simplify the seller effort to collect money from their customer. So we go to such sell order. Apply a filter. Order number. I am first copy my customer number. Now we are going to sell invoice. Go to new. Select customer number. Customer name. And this is my customer name, and go to line and then go to function and get shipment line. Click on OK. Go to posting. So select a dimensional value code store. So find me error. I'm going to invoice. Here we can update a stored dimension code. Select a location and go to and update the line. And again try to post. Click on post. And do you want to post the invoice? Yeah, yes. Now posting our invoice. Our invoice is posted successfully. Hope you understand. Thank you. रिकॉर्डिंग कट कर दो.